Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are going to have a quick tutorial about how to Leetcode the delete nodes in a linked list in Python. So the question itself is pretty straightforward. You are given a linked list for 519. The node to be deleted is also given, is 5, and your output should be the 419. So if your input is 4519, the node to be deleted is 1, then you output 459. So the trick to this question, let me just copy paste here. So the trick to the question is, well, remember 5 is what we want to be deleted, right? So the trick to this question is to convert the node to be deleted into the same value of the next node next to it. So we convert 5 to 1, and then we just delete the next one. In this case, we successfully deleted the node. Okay, and let's just code it up. So 4519, let me just put it here. So we have access to the node, right? The value itself right now is 5, but we are gonna convert it into the next node value. Node the next value. So basically we're replacing 5 to 1. And then we just delete the node. So what we are doing for this step is to, so previously this node, the node itself is